Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to turn on sleep mode in the Waze app in 2026. If you want to stop receiving unnecessary alerts when you're not driving, here's how to check this feature. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map screen, tap the menu icon and select settings. Next, look through the available notification and sound settings for an option related to sleep mode. Do not disturb or notifications. If sleep mode is available in your version of Waze, select it and turn it on. You can also review Waze notification settings on your phone and disable notifications when you don't want to be disturbed. Once the setting is enabled, return to the Waze map. Your select sleep or notification settings will now apply according to the options available on your device. And that's how to turn on sleep mode in the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.